Welcome back. Now let's take a closer look at OpenSea. The first thing you'll notice is the search box here. So you can click on it and type in the NFT collection that you'd like to learn more about. For example, if I would like to learn more about the Porsche NFT, so I can type in Porsche or just simply select it from the list. So from here, you can learn a lot more about the Porsche NFT project collection. You can visit their website if you want to. You can check out their Twitter handle, and you're able to tell how much volume this particular NFT collection is doing, what the floor price is like at the moment, and so on. Next, you can find the drops link. Let's give that a click. Drops are limited edition of NFT collectibles that will be online for a short period of time. Next to drops, we have stats. So let's give that a click as well. This takes us to the rankings and the activities that are performed on the OpenSea marketplace. As you can see here, we're able to view the NFT collection rankings on OpenSea according to the collection volume, the sales made over a period of 24 hours, and if you like, you can change it to 7 days or 30 days as you wish, and you're able to see the floor price of the NFT collections. So in a nutshell, this enables you to tell which of the NFT or NFTs collection are doing well. As you're able to see, we have Azuki at the top here, there's Bot APH Club, and so on. And if I scroll down, you're able to view multiple categories of NFTs that you can buy. And that's not all. We're also able to see a list of trending NFT collections, notable NFT collections, and so on that are featured on the home page of OpenSea. That's all for this OpenSea walkthrough. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next lesson.